iOS 18.5 is here, bringing exciting new features and performance improvements. Before you install it, here's how to get your iPhone ready for a smooth update. Let's get started. First, make sure to back up your iPhone. This is essential in case anything goes wrong during the update. You can use iCloud, iTunes, or Finder on a Mac to create a full backup of your device. It only takes a few minutes and can save you from losing important data. Next, check your available storage. iOS 18.5 requires approximately 6 to 7 gigabytes of free space. Go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to see what's taking up space. Delete unused apps, large files, or unnecessary media to clear up enough room for the installation. It's also a good idea to update all your apps before upgrading to iOS 18.5. Outdated apps may not work correctly with a new system and could lead to compatibility issues. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and update any apps that are pending updates. Before you begin the installation, ensure your iPhone is fully charged or connected to a reliable power source. A low battery during an update can interrupt the process and cause serious problems. Lastly, connect to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. Avoid using cellular data, as it may be too slow or unstable to handle a major update like this. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to download and install iOS 18.5 and enjoy everything it has to offer. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.